Good morning, how can I help you today?
Hi, doctor. I've been experiencing a lot of stomach aches lately, and it's starting to worry me.
I understand. Can you describe the pain? Is it sharp, dull, or cramp-like?
It's more of a dull, persistent pain. Sometimes it feels like cramps too, especially after eating.
I see. Have you noticed any specific triggers or patterns related to your stomach aches?
It seems to worsen after I eat certain foods, especially spicy or greasy meals. I've also noticed some bloating and occasional heartburn.
Those are important details. Have you experienced any changes in bowel movements or unusual weight loss?
I haven't noticed any significant changes in my bowel movements, but I have lost a little bit of weight recently.
I appreciate your honesty. Weight loss along with abdominal pain could be indicative of an underlying issue. We may need to perform further examinations.
That concerns me. What do you suspect it could be?
There are various possibilities, ranging from gastritis or an ulcer to a digestive disorder like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. We'll need to conduct a physical examination and possibly some diagnostic tests to reach a proper diagnosis.
I understand. I just want to get to the bottom of this and find some relief.
I assure you we will do our best. We'll start with a physical examination, check your medical history, and possibly order blood tests or imaging studies to gather more information.
Okay, I trust your expertise. What can I do in the meantime to alleviate the discomfort?
It's important to avoid triggering foods like spicy or greasy meals. Stick to a bland and easily digestible diet. Over-the-counter antacids may provide temporary relief, but we'll discuss appropriate medication after the examination.
Thank you, doctor. I appreciate your guidance and I'm ready to proceed with the necessary tests.
You're welcome. We'll work together to find the cause of your stomach aches and develop an appropriate treatment plan. Let's get started and address this issue.